Hi, I'm Josh Gilmore, Sales and Marketing Training Specialist here at Samas North America. Our mission is simple: to help our distributors strengthen their product knowledge and get the most out of every piece of Sames equipment. We create hands-on training videos, how-to guides, and product overviews designed to make complex finishing technology simple, clear, and accessible. Now, we'd love your input. Please take a moment to complete the form link in the description or click the link in the email sent to your inbox and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. Maybe you are interested in tips and tricks, maintenance how-tos, or possibly a deep dive into a specific pump or spray gun. Tell us how we can best support you, because at Sames, we succeed when you do. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.